What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to view your App Store download history on your iPhone. Knowing how to find your download history can be useful for rediscovering apps you previously used, including ones that may have been deleted or forgotten about. To start, locate and open the App Store app on your iPhone. This is Apple's official app for browsing and downloading apps, so it should be easy to find. Once you're in the App Store, look for your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your account page. In the Account section, you see a section labeled Apps near the top. Tap on it to proceed. In the Apps section, you will see both free and paid apps listed chronologically that you've downloaded with your Apple ID. This includes apps you downloaded in the past and currently have on your device. At the top of the section, you see two tabs, All and Not on this iPhone. The All tab shows every app you've downloaded with your current Apple ID across all devices, including those on other Apple devices like an iPad. If you want to find apps that aren't currently installed on your iPhone, tap on the Not on this iPhone tab. This is especially helpful if you're looking for an app that you previously downloaded and then removed from a device. If you want to reinstall any app from this list, just tap on the cloud icon next to the app name. This will start downloading the app back on your device. This can be especially useful if you're trying to reinstall a specific app that's no longer easy to find in the App Store. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.